Hey everybody, this is Keola Rains, and today I am presenting to you on mindfulness. So mindfulness is a broad subject, and we basically want to understand that being in the moment, being present is going to be something that's going to help you with success in your life and with freedom in your life. So if you are like me and you have any struggles with anxiety or just maybe overthinking things, one of the best things to do is to get yourself organized and to put some order to the chaos in your life so that you can get things done. And these are some notes that I took from a Think Tank Club meeting, mastermind meeting, and they were sent to me via email. I had an amazing time going over and reviewing these notes, and so I would like to share them with you. So the first step in getting things done and organizing chaos in your life is to capture your thoughts, to write down, record, make a video of anything that is on your mind, any thoughts that are going through your mind, anything that is taking your attention. Write that down, record it, jot it down, brainstorm. Next step is to clarify or process your thoughts. So take some time to sit down and look at each of those thoughts. Make some tasks or ideas that are going to create action towards those thoughts. So if you're thinking of starting a business, if you're thinking of going into some new venture, maybe getting another degree or getting another certification or getting married or something crazy like that, sit down and ask yourself, is this worth me doing? Is this worth my time right now? Should I put any effort into this particular action, or maybe should I table it until later on? And if it's something that you definitely want to take action on, then you for sure want to figure out some steps on what you can do right now to get you closer towards that end result. So making a list of things that are going to get you closer immediately to that end result. After you clarify your thoughts, then you want to organize your thoughts. So now I know for sure that I want to start a business. Who's the first person that I need to call or reach out to or email in order to help me get closer to starting that business? What kind of errands do I need to run? What kind of list of to-dos do I need to make in order to get me closer to that next end result? After you organize your thoughts, then you want to go back and review, reflect, look over the list and decide what's the next step. So I've called my coach, I've gone and signed up, I've started training again, and now what? So I have a clear list, and I go back and clean that list out week by week, crossing things off, day by day, crossing things off, hour by hour, even crossing things off on that list of to-dos. And then lastly, we want to make sure that we engage. So take the system that you created where you're capturing your thoughts, you're clarifying your thoughts, organizing and reflecting, and then continually go out and make some type of action. And that's it. Thank you.